Channel. I am doing a flip cup. I'm using some of the colors for fall. You know, I always say I love purples and pinks, and I really do. But I will say that I love fall colors so much. They're warm, they're inviting. Fall's my favorite season, and if I had my druthers, I'd have numerous rooms in my home to look like fall. So, let me show you what I've put into my little cup here. Now this canvas, first of all, is, I don't know where it came from. Whoops. I did not tape the back, as you see. All I did was put these little things on here. It's got the wider, it looks like it's homemade because the staples are on the side. I don't know where it came from. I don't know if it was purchased at a yard sale or what. But I put push pins and I put those on it. Makes sense. It's 11 by 14. Okay, so we have 11 by 14. I am doing a flip cup today on this 11 by 14 canvas. I'm going to go through the paints that I put into this cup. There's the flip cup. I don't even know how I'm going to flip it. It's so full. I don't know what I was thinking. Way too much paint. It's going to turn to mud if I'm not careful. So, I had leftover purple right here. Can't tell you what's all is in there. It's just a combination of colors that turned out to be purple. And then this is my own mix of gloss peach red. It reminds me, I was trying to make, because I can't find, what is it called, the FluidArt Fire Opal, and this looks like it to me, so I try to make it. This one's close too. This is another one that I mix. So then I'm using Master's Touch Yellow Ochre, Master's Touch Burnt Umber, Master's Touch Red Ochre, and then this is just my own mix of basically a very light tan, very light chocolate, which once I flip it, I'm going to put on the outside. I don't know why. I don't think I'm going to need it, but let's do it anyway. I haven't done a flip cup in so long, and I filled my cup way too full. So, and I did not spray my cup with anything. So, let me do the puncture here to see if it will. Uh-oh, it doesn't want me to do that. This cup says, no, you're not going to punch me. I'm too strong. There we go. Let's see if that helps. There it goes. Okay. Just trying to help it run up a little bit. There we go. That's better. It's blending a lot better now. Okay. Still got the purple a little bit in the corner, but it looks more even. Still not what I was looking for, but let me know down in the comments what y'all think of this. Tell me what you think I should have done differently, or if you like it or not. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you soon on our next video. God bless, be safe, and be happy. Bye-bye.